Hi, I'm Louise. I am Marketing and IT Officer for Yorkshire Adoption Agency. The agency is a voluntary adoption agency independent from the local authority, and we're also a charity, and we aim to recruit, approve and match adopters with children who are waiting for adoption. I've learned so much from Be More Social about the potential that social media has to reach out to a community and an audience. The first meeting that we attended with Be More Social was a conference that was put on by Doncaster Council, I believe, and Rick was giving his speech about Be More Social, and he has such a zest for everything about it that it's contagious, and it makes you want to know more about what it is that he does and how you can relate that to your business. 2 years after working with Be More Social, we now post to 4 different platforms and are looking at creating more video content to use on YouTube. I would say our best platform that we've been using would be Instagram. That's completely blown up in the past sort of 6 months, and we're seeing lots of reach and engagement with our audience from there. I think the content we've used mainly for Instagram it's impactful because it's imagery and quotes and video. So video has been a real asset. We have learned a lot from Being More Social about videos, content and what impact it can have positively. So we ventured into it sort of in the last 6 months and have seen some real good results from that. The first things we learned with Abby in our half-hour sessions that we had weekly was how to put together a good post, what it was that people enjoyed. So the research was being done by Abby for us, so we knew exactly what to put together in order to give our best sort of chance in the social media arena. I appreciate having Be More Social to fall back on in that regard, because they keep up to speed and up to date with all the latest changes and are always there to give you good advice about the content that you're putting out, and also how to improve and the challenge of improvement. They will push you to push yourself, which I find really rewarding from Be More Social. To explain Be More Social to someone who doesn't know, it does what it says on the tin, basically. They will teach you about social media and how to use it, how to be more social, and how that will generate leads, how it will help your business grow, and how to network with other people, either business to business or business to customer. A piece of advice for someone considering using Be More Social would be to let them show you what they can do. Let them show you the results that they've gained for businesses like ours, and businesses in the more business sense of the word. Let them guide you in your business planning and strategy, and they will get you the results that they promise.